So we're testing the Aiwa Sx-Wzr88 speakers. So we've got the Soundcraft EMP6 mixer hooked up to the Cloud CX-A6 6-channel power amplifier. We're going to be powering them off of. I got the S7 Edge recording as our high quality microphone. I'll say about 4 or 5 meters from the speaker. So here we go. So that was a test of the Aiwa Sx-Wzr88 speakers.